World number 2. The 4.
I like the aesthetic much better.
Ooh, yeah.
I feel like
A lot more color. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Whoa, baby! Very hard to stick the landings, I will say. Maybe that's where the levitating will come in handy.
Now your truck is just kind of stuck to a rock now.
He made just a choice. Just, I love the casual, just missing things, and it looks so deliberate at the time. That's what makes it so funny.
These are, I would like to point out, these are not what trees
Hi.
look like.
What are you talking about? That's exactly what trees look like.
I have never seen a tree like. To be fair,
Same thing twice.
To be fair, I've never seen a tree.
Yeah, so you don't go outside from the tree.
It's outside.
Is that place that has the sun?
Don't know me. My name is
You know, I thought you played it smart and you were just gonna ride it out, and then you didn't. Oh, I even used the truck as a jump too. Oh, you saw that, didn't you? It like hit the truck for the last second to stop. That hurts my soul. Hey, that guy's giving you a freebie. You had an incredible jump there for some reason. Ooh, I think you're gonna hit that tree. Oh, no! That was... You can do it, my boy. I guess everyone was just... Oh.
I didn't expect the instantaneous, massive collision from everybody.
Very odd how your jump is very undeterminable sometimes. I just buttered myself right off there. Ever heard of margarine? I think I said margarine, even though I meant to say margin. Wait, is it margarine or margin?
Margarine.
I did not know until 2 months ago that I can't believe it's not butter. It was margarine.
No.
I thought like it meant it was just really good butter, and like you couldn't believe it wasn't.
It's not butter.
I understand that now. I didn't even know that margarine was a thing. And you know it's sad because I can't believe it's not butter for a very long time. What is the difference, by the way? Butter is animal fat? I thought it was milk based.
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Just, I know
it's a dairy product.
Margarine
So
is an oil. Yeah, you're right. Butter doesn't. Margarine does not. Nice walk off.
I just like, I even like tapped it just to be safe, and he just went. Maybe holding the sprint button.
I wonder what this madman looks
Oh,
like.
hello. What does this madman look like? I don't know. You know, I gotta say, the trailer for that game really did surprise me above all else. I think all those trucks. You know what? I'm just gonna say this now. We probably should have gotten a power up. The double jump would have come in handy tremendously, right?
You can do this without that, maybe.
I don't know. I'm a pretty big baby. I don't know about you. That one truck just, he decided a different path. I would love to know, like...
How did I survive that?
Well, yeah, you know, that's a good question. I would love to know who's driving these. Like, what madmen are just like, we gotta go, boys.
I was on a stationary truck for a bit there. That just kind of like slid. I guess
Yeah, and then you kind of jumped and just one, like, landed under you. Really impressive. Ooh, there's an intersection coming. Good luck. I think you need to be a smidge quicker.
Yeah, I think with this particular level, it's all about
Speed is the key, Magic.
unfair.
They got you.
I couldn't jump. Okay, so I think you are better fitted.
Wow.
I think you're better fitted for speed levels than I am.
Well, I don't know. I just hold down the finger once in a while.
I'm better at levels where.
Ooh, that's really
stick a
rough.
truck. better skipping trucks.
I have noticed that if you just kind of hold A when you're about to land on a truck, you seem to be a bit more stable. I don't know if that's like an actual mechanic or what.
It could be a pseudo.
Oh, they are just flying. Okay. That's cool. Oh no! I wish to go back. We have to go back.
Mistake.
Whee! I mean, this one actually seems like it's really easy, provided I don't get ahead of myself.
Yeah, probably.
Let's see. Oh, hello. I'm gonna delicately avoid that. Delicately avoid that. Delicately avoid that.
Delicately avoid that.
Oh, wow. You know, I like the game. I wish it would be done a little differently so you would see the ragdoll every time you hit something. Because you gotta think, this guy is traveling like 40 or 50 miles an hour, and then he is jumping 20 feet high, and then smashing face first into something. The ragdoll of that would just be beautiful. Maybe I'm crazy for wanting that, but it just, I gotta imagine. Oh, you know what would have helped there? Double jump.
We want to save him for the levitation.
I just pray that the levitation is good and not garbage.
Woo!
Oh no.
I mean, what the jump? But woo!
Oh, well. You know what, though? I'm gonna contribute everything that's wrong with our success to not having a double jump. See that?
I wouldn't know what to do with the double jump.
You jump more than one.
I mean, I wouldn't know where to go with it, when to properly climb it.
I mean, it's probably something that happens every time you touch the ground. I can't imagine it would be a once per round thing.
No, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not when you hit the ground.
No, I'm saying I'm sure you can use it every time you touch the ground.
I mean...
It means you can...
Oh, you mean the truck?
Yes.
You mean the ground that kills you.
No, I did not mean that.
Thanks for... Oh!
What?
What happened?
Oh, that was... You got this one. It's all candy cane. Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Damn you!
I should have...
You shouldn't...
Hindsight is 20/20, Cameron. But the ability to be clairvoyant. You know, I always think of that when I say that, and it makes me a little sad because I know I shouldn't.
No, you should always think...
Wow. No, keep me distracted more often because that went fine.
It's always nice to think of Heinz Doofenshmirtz.
He's my secret inspiration. It seems very straightforward. I'm not saying that just because it's straight. No, it's...
All these platforms...
There's nothing behind me.
It was just fear, Brantley.
I should probably slow down a little.
So these are moving platforms here that move trucks.
So it would seem. But which truck makes it? None of them? None? Oh, hello.
You
I mean, I didn't really have anywhere else to go. I was just like, in for... It seems like the leftmost truck is the one that makes it, though. Oh, is that the guy? I think that's the guy, Cameron. Oh, yeah. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Hey, look at that. You know what your score was for that level? 9/11.
I'm really happy.
Perfection. Oh, you have to jump onto it. I applaud you for at least getting a second try out of that. Yeah, they don't seem to have
Oh, they
too
do
much...
not like my weight. They do not like weight.
Hoi! Hoi! Hoi!
Good job.
Thank you, thank you. Sometimes the level clicks. Oh, hello, hello, hi!
Oh no.
Hey, boys! How's it going? Oh, yes, you were in the right spot, buddy.
I wonder if it's possible to climb this stuff all the way up
You know what? I wouldn't put it past the developers. I just love that sometimes you just reach for it, like give me the remote, and it's like, ooh, no, I keep the remote for now.
I had to sneeze at the same time too, so I couldn't use my words.
It was just a very reaching motion.
Oh no!
Oh, hello! I'm just gonna get out of here. Nope, I lied. Second I asked. You know what would really help this level out, John? Double jump. There's so many semis here for some reason. Okay, this one's a trooper.
He's had some times where he's like buckled under the pressure, but I mean
He's going.
Yeah.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna. Did you like slip off, or did the truck just
I think he's gonna
explode?
nosedive.
Oh,
I don't know what was
dang,
happening.
son.
I'll take it. I
I wonder if you could like delicately just ride the back of one.
it's really weird. My plays are never straightforward when I do them. I never play straightforward, you know. Slide a lot. I do everything a lot, you know.
I find that the only way to actually get the jump I'm looking for is to pull back. Oh,
Not like that.
well,
Not like that either.
I mean, you did good on the first time because you like just rode on the cab of the truck I wanted to say. That
Nope.
was good.
No, I just did this.
You know what would have gotten you through that though?
God, levitation.
Double jump. Double jump would have gotten you through that. It's okay though. World 3 is gonna feel so much easier when we have an actual upgrade point. Yeah. Honestly, man, I would jump forward. See where he gets you.
Dead.
Maybe a
not.
bit farther of a jump.
No, I always do small jumps. That's why I don't die in the beginning of this level.
Who said I died in the beginning of this level? Sporadically! Oh man, the one that was under me. That was my first time dying, thank you.
I use one hand to control the joystick when you jump. Oh well. That looks like
I tried to jump off the
We're
side
still
because
going.
I've noticed you can do that, but ouch. That's an ouchie. Yes. Yes. Yes.
that truck. Boy, okay.
Ride it to. Oh, it's done. Your boy's done.
I was going up. I was on the up too, but I chose to have to sit down, I guess.
Oh, that was balonky. Boy. Oh, that was close. How about that? I don't.
You want to call back?
Oh, well. Uh-huh. I like the way you play. Except for that one, where you, die. That one felt like a fight, man.
What?
I gotta tell you what. It felt like you were fighting yourself and the environment. Man versus man. Everything. Just the biggest guy. Go for it, buddy. Good job, Cameron.
I didn't want to do it.
Oh, hey, how about that? Look, Barry. Talking to berries now, eh? You ever ask him about Jill sandwiches? You should really ask him, like, someday, like, what's your favorite type of sandwich? And then just say, oh, that was close. I should not have done that, and I did it, and it worked, and yay. This one seems pretty easy. Am I saying that just off of looks? Yes. Oh, boulders! I seen that. What you were talking about?
More than a boulder. Rock.
More than a boulder? I mean more than
Shut up.
a boulder.
Look at him rolling down.
Dwayne is coming.
I remember this scene from the Hobbit book.
Oh gosh. Well, when was there a humongous rock slide like that in Hobbit? No! No! Nunny!
Woo! And he does it.
Alright, when was there a humongous rock slide in the Hobbit?
There wasn't. I just told you that.
Man, I'm gonna actually buy an ability now. I'm gonna get you
Levitation.
stupid frickin' levitation.
How do we activate it?
I have no clue.
We're gonna find out.
Options. I don't know.
Ability 1 is
Okay.
LB. Alright, well, we figured it out.
LB and LT. I ain't gonna work with that. Hi who.
Thanks.